and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Wacky Wednesday. So we're gonna make some chocolate covered pickles. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love wacky recipes, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and be sure to check the description below for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so this particular recipe, so last week if you watched, we did Kool-Aid pickles. And so I was thinking, what can I do this week with pickles? I needed something pretty easy to do. I'm working on getting a new kind of camera arrangement here. So I have got some pickles here. I found a recipe, and the original recipe calls for sweet and sour pickles. No, is it sweet and sour? Bread and butter pickles. Either way, I didn't have them. All I had is dill pickles that my daughter gave me. So that's what we're going to use. And the one thing that you want to make sure you do is dry out your pickles. So if they're all wet, the chocolate's not going to stick, but I think I may have dried them out too far because they're, I may have taken out too, they lost their crispiness. But my husband had a good idea. He said maybe I should put them in the dehydrator and make like pickled chips and then dip them. So we may have to try that. Anyway, I decided, they just showed it with the dark chocolate. I decided we're going to do a white and a dark chocolate. So I'm just going to dip half of the pickle in. And then I'm going to set them on some parchment paper. I didn't know how many of these I wanted to do, so I didn't put a lot. I did not put a lot of chocolate in here. So that's why I'm having just a little bit of a hard time dipping these. So we're going to do some white ones. And then we're going to do some dark chocolate ones. Now the dark chocolate ones they showed had some salt on them. So I guess we will, I got my, oh, maybe that's kind of pretty, look. We can decorate them. Anyways, I'm making a mess here. Scoot them forward a little bit. All right, so I have my Malden salt. These are my little sea salt flakes. So these are what you see like when you see like the caramels that have the sea salt on them. This is what they use. So it's great for food photography. All right, so I'm going to finish dipping these. And then I'm going to transfer these over to the fridge to harden up just a little bit. All right, our pickles are done, and I'm a little bit scared to try these. They're not the prettiest things in the world. Here are the dark chocolate, and here is the white chocolate. I don't know why I decided to put salt on the dark chocolate and not on the white chocolate. But yeah, they're definitely not pretty, but let's give them a try. Well, that's definitely not my favorite thing in the world. The salt is overpowering with the dill pickle. I mean, all in all, it's not too bad. But for me, I think I would leave the salt off. I think the salt just overpowers it. Let's try this one. That one's not too bad. I don't know if it's because there's not salt on here or if it's because of the white chocolate. But this one isn't bad, so I don't know. I'm definitely thinking about dehydrating them and then dipping them in chocolate. But I don't know. I don't know what they would look like. I guess you'd have to slice them pretty thick. You'd almost have to make your own pickles and slice them, because I think if I dehydrated these, they'd be super, like you'd be able to see through them. So anyway, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching. I will see you next Wednesday with another wacky recipe. Bye.